Which day trading setup do you think will make you more money? Most people think it's this one, but actually it's not. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you my own $10,000 day trading setup, show you what I think I wasted money on, and I'll even let you know the only thing you actually need to profit as a day trader. Now, before I take a seat myself, what do I actually sit on throughout the day? Well, I'm spending so much time here, I invested in a Herman Miller chair, very well-known chair, good for your back. It's a long-term investment, about $1,500, but well worth it. Okay, so first things first, you obviously need some monitors to look at so you can actually trade. Unless you're retail trading, you might as well look at the wall, but we're institutional trading, so we need 4 monitors to look at. And for that, I've got a Dell Ultra Sharp Infinity Edge U2717D, $700 each. You can check them out. Honestly, complete waste of money, totally unnecessary, but hey, I've got them. Now, one of the things a lot of you have been asking about is this quad monitor stand. It's a StarTech desktop quad monitor used to sit all 4 monitors. It's $250. Now, obviously you need a desk to put everything on, and it's actually pretty simple. I got it from IKEA for about $150. This has followed me my entire career, okay? For about the last 10 years since I left investment banking, I bought this. Every place I've had an office, I've taken it with me. And as you might have seen in my house tour video, I've got a brand new office being built in the back, and this is obviously gonna follow. We need to connect the monitors to something. Very uncomfortable here. Look at the things I do for you guys. Now, it's an MSI Prestige P100, 64 gigabytes of RAM. I have no idea what any of this means, by the way. 1 terabyte SSD, 2 terabytes HDD. Probably the biggest waste of money, $3,500. I have no idea why I bought it. Had a great trading week and decided to splurge all my cash on that. Now, you may have noticed how clean the wiring is underneath. I actually did that myself. I hate wires. We all have a pet hate for wires. Now, if you're gonna be an institutional trader, you gotta be clean, right? Okay, so we're now back at the desk in a much more comfortable position than I was down there. As you can see, I've got some mobile phones, very different to what you may be used to seeing. Some of you may remember this Nokia Banana from about 20 years ago. I hate technology, believe it or not, despite what you see here. You've then got, as you can see, Logitech StreamCam. Cost about $150, pretty decent. Allows me to make my business calls. You've then got some other peripheral items, no less important, very useful. You've got the remarkable e-ink tablet. My missus actually nicked the real one. She's on a business trip at the moment and just left me with the box, so that's pretty useless. But on a serious note, barely connects to the internet. So again, love it. I can just take my notes with no distraction. You've then got the all-important mouse and keyboard, very cheap items, around $20, but obviously very necessary. And then the last couple of items on the desk, the speakers, about $20, really cheap, Logitech speakers. I don't really need anything fancy. I don't have any parties going on here, so something pretty basic. Now, before we go any further, it's really important I tell you, because I know you're wondering, should you invest in any of this stuff? Absolutely not, complete waste of money, okay? This is way over the top. As you'll see, I actually spend most of my day watching Netflix on half the monitors and Internet Explorer on the other. I've even got this piece of paper because I don't even know what half of this stuff is. So why do I have it? Well, when I started out, I had 1 monitor, kept it pretty simple. And as I made more money, I invested it in my trading business and then built the setup up slowly. When you're doing the type of institutional trading that we're doing here, you only need a laptop, 1 screen will do. So don't be put off, just start off with something simple and then work your way up. Now, the final item on the desk, which I don't need my piece of paper for, is the Beat the Retail Nonsense sign, which I bought off Amazon for about $10. So get yourself one straight away. Now, during the day, I obviously like to listen to some music, got the Sonos speakers on the wall, which are controlled from the brain center of the house, which you see here. Now, I'll let you in on a little secret. I actually don't like listening to music during trading. My missus just turns on something on her app, which annoys the hell out of me. Okay, so the last couple of bits before we're done, the all-important whiteboard. As you can see, I set it up nicely, just with my to-do list. Make sure I'm organized. It's a weekend right now. Like to keep it nice and clean. You might have noticed something. My missus has reminded me, be nice to fiance. Now, obviously, to bring you all these amazing videos, I need some equipment to do that. Bought a couple of cheap lights off Amazon, very straightforward, and also a little tripod stand just to put the camera on, and then finally a green screen. Now I'm going to show you the exact angle that I sit in for most of my videos that you'll be used to me seeing. Let's go and have a look. So this is the angle where I start most of my videos with the famous starting line, traders. Now today you just saw the trading setup and the day trading room, but to see the rest of the house, check out this video here which gives the full house tour.